Welcome to our channel. Today we how to block spam calls on AT&T. Quick method step by step clearly. To block spam calls on AT&T, begin by opening your phone settings. Scroll down and look for the phone option. Tap on phone to access call settings. Find and select call blocking and identification. Next, tap on blocked contacts. Here, you'll see an option to add new numbers to your block list. You can either enter the number manually or choose from recent calls. To manually enter a number, tap on Add New. Type in the spam number you wish to block and confirm the entry. Alternatively, if you want to block a number from your call log, select it. Tap on the information icon next to the number in your recent calls. Scroll to find the Block This Caller option. Confirm that you want to block the number. Once blocked, you will no longer receive calls or messages from that number. For additional protection, consider using the AT&T Call Protect app. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and follow the prompts to activate it on your device. This app automatically blocks potential spam calls. Ensure that call settings are configured to your preferences. By following these steps, you can effectively block spam calls on your AT&T device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.